world of shifting timelines, the only thing that stays constant is your focus. If you lose your center, the Chrono Masters have already won. Christian, Aiamei, Aelion, stay sharp. This isn't a retrieval mission. It's a rescue. You're still using phase blades. You're stuck in a loop, and not the good kind. Christian, don't just fire. Anticipate. Where are they phasing to?
Calculated, Dad. 3 seconds ahead of them.
I'm Aelion. You're safe now.
You ... you have the frequency. But my universe ... it's gone. They folded it into nothing.
Listen to me. Your universe might be gone, but your purpose isn't. That's a logical trap the Chrono Masters set, making you think you're defined by what you lost. You're defined by what you do next.
Hate to break up the therapy session, but something big just hit the atmosphere. And it's moving through my time delay like it's not even there.
Aiamei, get the survivor into the medical bay. Aelion, stay close to him. Your energies are going to start resonating. If it gets too intense, breathe through it. Use your subconscious to ground the power.
Dad, the rifts... they're opening everywhere.
They aren't just here for the Star Child anymore. They're here for the whole timeline.
Next week, Aelion and the survivor must train to sync their powers for the coming fight. Until next week.